Welcome back. Let's do question 2.3. Graphs of the functions f of x is equal to a cos b theta and g of x is equal to c tan theta for the domain as gauged below. The graphs intersect at P and Q. Write down the value of A and B. So we have A here and B there. So how do we get the value of A and B? What does A represent? F of x is equal to A cos B theta. Right. If you check, A represents the amplitude of the graph. Amplitude of the graph. Right, so what is the amplitude of the graph here? Amplitude is equal to the maximum value, which is 3, minus the minimum value, which is minus -3, divided by 2. So which is 6 divided by 2, which is equal to 3. Okay, right. And then so A is equal to 3 there. Right, let's find B. So the period of this graph, what is it? It starts here, and then it's going to restart again at this point. A complete circle is how many degrees? A complete circle is 360 degrees, because from here to there is 180 degrees, and then from there up to there is 180 degrees. So the function completes the circle after 360 degrees. B is equal to 360 degrees divided by the period. The period in this case is 360 degrees. So B is equal to 1. Okay, so B is equal to 1. We can say f of x is equal to 3 cos theta.